We'll guide you through how to screen mirror an iPhone to an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, so make sure it's this full guide. Don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this. To do this, we are going to be using an app, and you need to get it on both the iPad and the iPhone. So open up the App Store on both the iPad and the iPhone, find search, and you want to go and search for an app called A Power Mirror, and that's all one word, like so. And this is it here, A Power Mirror. You want to go and get it on both devices and open it up. So I'll press open on the iPhone, make sure you go and give it the permissions that it goes and asks for. And then you need to go and open it up on the iPad as well. Make sure you've got it, of course. So now that you've got it open, make sure they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can confirm that there. Then on the iPhone, you want to press local cast. You should go and see the iPad here, and you can tap on it and go and press start broadcast. Now, shortly, it's going to go and appear on the iPad, as you can see. And that's it. You're now mirroring.